Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your McDonald's app. All you have to do in the first, you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Just scrolling down here until you will find here apps, click on it. You come to apps list and here you're looking for McDonald's app or just click on search. Then here at the McDonald's app, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list, click on for stop, click on OK. You scrolling down here, click on storage. So then you will find here clear cache, just click on it. Then all you have to do next, you just go here to your Play Store, click on it. So when you click on Play Store here, you search here for McDonald's app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. Also, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.